hungry and I haven't made a beef nilaga for you guys using our Instantpot. So I'm gonna show you guys what we need. So we need the meat. You can use pork or beef, it's up to you. And I prepared to use a bone marrow. And for the bone marrow, it tastes better if you have this, okay? So we need onion as well. You can use bok choy or cabbage, potato, or you can add some carrots as well. Peppercorn, patis or soy sauce or any fish sauce, and beef cubes if you want more taste. Okay, so we're gonna chop our beef now. Okay. So guys, I washed the beef and the bone marrow. Now we're gonna put it here. It's up to you how much water do you want. And we are going to put our onion and the peppercorn. Just a little bit. Okay. So we are going to put our lid. Make sure the vent is sealed. Okay guys? And then we are going to pressure cook for 35 minutes only. 35 minutes. Okay guys, so now the timer is done. So it's time for us to release the pressure. Okay, so guys, no more pressure. We can safely open our Instantpot and look. So we can try if the beef is already tender. So look at that bone marrow. Great. And there's our meat. Yeah. It's ready. Now we are going to put it on our soup or broth. And we can put our potato. And then turn it on for 5 minutes. And then after that, when the potato is soft, we can put our cabbage. I prepared to put a young corn or corn, but I'm out right now. So yeah, let's just wait again. Now our potato is tender and I think it's ready. Let's see. Where's the potato? Right there. Look at that fat. There we go. Yeah, our potato is a little bit soft now. So it's time for us to put our cabbage. So remember guys, you can use bok choy. It's time for us to put our flavor. So I am just going to put a tablespoon of patis or fish sauce. But it's up to you guys if you want to put a cup. It's up to you. No, just kidding. It's too salty. So there you go. And this is ready to go. Time to eat.